Sundays for lovers, they say. Sundays for recap, we say. I've got everything that has happened in this week on Scandal Review.
It doesn't rain, it pours. Hayibo. Nako-ke uNhloso uthumbe umfazi wakhe. Like, how does that happen? Okay, not his wife, but his ex-wife. So now he says that he cannot stand and watch uMthunzi agalavate nomfazi wami because wena ungunkosikazi wami. Ngesintu, traditionally you're still my wife. Sakuthela ngenyongo-ke wena. There's no way you're gonna tell me ukuthi wena umuntu kaMthunzi uthwele nengane lapho. So the way engikuthanda ngakhona, I wouldn't let uMthunzi azenzele empilweni yakho. So mina ngingowakho nawe uwami. That's the end of the story, and I don't want to hear anything else. This comes soon after he told uDinhle ukuthi he will be late from work because uphethwe isisu. Kanti uyazi ukuthi bayaphaka ukudla aphakela uMahlomo, and uMahlomo umthumbini. People have now started searching. Untutuko is wondering, and then Otembelihle, they are all wondering. They've decided to go to the police station to go and report a missing case person. Questions have been asked, but none of the questions did they have answers to. Umthunzi was part of the equation, but now, ngokubona kwami, as time goes, kuyothiwa Umthunzi knows her whereabouts. Thulani nizothi anginitshelanga, yazi nizothi andinitshelanga. I foresee because Umthunzi has a dangerous past. So they are going to say, when Umthunzi, you are the one that knows exactly what is happening to this person. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Scandal. Limatekwana, sanibonani absheni malweni minjani. Hivukile hingongwina. So namuhla kana kwa hina wa Scandal hikumokoro tshamisekangi kahle. Looking at the fact that Umkhulu Kasa found it a bit strange that uOrchid no babu wake abakhulume because of something that happened in the past. So he then organized with, you know what, at some point you guys have to talk together because angeke nihlale nikwatelane forever. Remember, at the end of the day, that is your son and you are his father. Then uDivet was like, oh, no, but ukuthi uyisani ngiyayizwa lento leyo. Uphuze my fiance ingoduso yami wayiphuza. How do we move past that? And then he said, you know what, everything so you all can fix whatever that you're going through and everything can still be fine. Now he then organized that Orchid should come to the store, and he lied and said that there was a problem with meat. Then he comes to the store and Udivet comes through. Then Divet asked him a question, do you have feelings for my fiance? And then he says no. And then he says, why did you then kiss her? And then he says, no, it just happened. It was a spur of a moment. There's no feelings attached to it. And I don't know why I did that, but I apologize. Then he said, you embarrassed me in front of during Pambwabant. And then Orchid said, you know what, you must be embarrassed, true, but you can imagine how embarrassed I felt. You can imagine how I felt. I felt like the world could open so that I can go in, because what do you mean I kissed your fiance? Then they hugged it. And then when they were hugging, Tidi came through and then saw them hugging. And then she was like, oh, okay, so your father forgives you just like that? And then, Nage, Mina, what is it that I've done that is beyond what you have done? Why is he not forgiving me? But it's so easy for him to forgive you. Well, blood is thicker than blood. Than what? Blood is thicker than water. And there is a difference between a son and a servant. Like, what do you even mean? Like, it's a given factor. So anyway, on the other hand, here, Victor's a bit he's battling with the fact yokuthi umntanakhe umkwatela and umntanakhe does not want to hear anything from him. She brought back the phone, but she says that after everything that has happened, it does not mean that I forgive you. I'm still very upset and very much upset with you. Guti, I am where I am because of you, and you decided Guti at the end of the day, after you've made bad decisions, when uzozibulala so that I can be left alone. That for me is just out, and I'm not gonna forgive you. Wallace, before that, she had a conversation with Mdala and told Mdala how she is not a charity case. Akakwatanga ugelu uyavuta. Ugel is like anything just bothering her. But again, on the other more brighter side, Utapelo decided to get Umawake a lawyer, and he got the lawyer on the cheaper side, hoping that everything goes quang, quang, quang. Abantu basesonteni, they've been told ukuthi kwenzakalani ngoMadlomo, and obviously I'm just assuming that bazoletha imithandazo ekhaya. But as it is, I can foresee uNhloso going and throwing tantrums as if he does not know what is happening. Well, that is more like him. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching my video. I will see you on my next upload. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. Please remember to give this video a big thumbs up, and remember, we do not upload full episodes here.
Now this is what went down on Tuesday. Thank you for watching Monday Recap.
Hayi ke nangoku ndanixelela and nithe mna ndiyaxoka. Yeah, now there is a search party for uMahlomo, and guess who is the victim in all of this? Umthunzi ke nana. Mthunzi is the victim of all these things, and he's pretending that he did not know anything. He does not even know what is happening, to a point where he goes to the police and pin everything to Umthunzi. Ndinixelele. Cela nithi hure. Ngoba I tell you things. Nina nathi hey mna ndiyaboniswa. He goes to the police station and says, you know what, I actually think that the person that is responsible for all of this is Umthunzi, because Umthunzi has got a dodgy past, and izinto zokuthumba abantu it would not be his first time. Previously, he did this with Ubabsemiti because he wanted money. Now he's doing it again because he thinks ukuthi ishopo kaMahlomo, it's now flourishing, so he believes ukuthi khona imali ekhona laphaya. So he's doing this so that he can get money. Guess what? The police believes the story. Wow. This was all orchestrated by the mighty men of war, uNhloso. Now he goes back to what do they call that? Etembeni. And then when he gets to Etembeni, he sees this, like there's a search party where flyers are being distributed to everybody, telling them, good to know, we are looking for this person. Wow. And then he was like, when I'm Tunzi, when? Yeah, when I was how would I even know? Why would I even waste my time going around? No, it's because you are this person of this caliber. This is how you do things. When I say, nangabe ungamlimaza uMadlomo, vele wazi ukuthi nami ngiyokulimaza mfana wami, ngiyokubonisa mina, ngikubonisa ini amanyoka angazi amabele wenyoka. Athi Mthunzi, why would I even do that? Lo muntu okhuluma ngaye, she's pregnant ngengane yami, so what makes you think ukuthi mina I'm that kind of a person that's going to hurt her? Athi na yabona ke manje mfana wami uzoyikhotha imbengelo yangizokuthi ngithini. Well, he was still angry and shouting. He got so upset to a point that he did not even see his wife coming through. Dintle came through, and then she was just shocked, and how he was releasing the fire. Like he was in until umkhulukazi was like, no, but izinto asizilungisi kanje. Why wena ulwa kangaka? Like, why are you so upset like this? You are so livid, and we don't understand how did we even get here in the first place. Ngithi umuntu akavuthi uvutha amalanga athi ya wena Mthunzela into yenzayo wengicabanga ukuthi angafika la emnyameni uthathe zonke izinto zami. Yo, ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Scandal. Madekwana sanibonani, avuxeni molweni, minjhani, hi pfukile hi ngon'wina. So namuntlha ka nona kwa hina wa Scandal hi kuma ku ri swilo swi tshamisekangi kahle, looking at the fact that Mathobela came and give the kids huggies, but on the other hand umntana ka Victor does not want to talk to uVictor because she feels that uVictor is he's supposed to go to jail for the sins that he has made. And then Mavutela told her, if yes, I understand Ubato punish Papa how, but you must just remember all his life he was being punished because he was trying to make sure Korwana at least only one, unlike losing the other one Ashu, and then the other one goes to jail. So he was just trying to make sure that he takes care of him. Then Wana Halalelo, she does not want to see her father. She does not want to talk to her father. She believes her papa high and she says that she's not going back to school next year. This was a communication between her and Mavutela. And Mavutela was like, no, but you can't take such hasty decision without even thinking about it. She said, I thought about it well enough. Now, people calls Untloso while he's in the place of Isgameko, then he answers the phone and Mahlomo breaks the glass so that at least it could be an awareness. Anyway, Uthapelo believes that he has done justice and favor to uVictor by not by all the footage that is there at Betchafela that now implicates uVictor. But unfortunately, uVictor says his heart and mind is solely focused on getting high relationship because it's like they've drifted apart. now, but then he do appreciate the effort. On the other hand, again, Matobela, I don't know who told her what, but she went to Divet and say, I'm gonna pray for you and pray for your family because Tidi Walwala. And the picture looks like a picture perfect because when Divet walks in, he found Tidi taking medication, and then he just said, you know what? Kupa unyale. So I don't know if this is Mahadi Lobola, where Divet was the one that actually initiated and said, I do not want to spend the day without you in my life.
Now that we're done with Tuesday, let's focus on what happened on Wednesday this week.
Hi ke, isimo semanzuzu when it comes to uMadlomo noNhloso. Now uMadlomo is not really feeling well right now and she's asking for her medication, but then she did ask, can you allow me to go home so that at least I can go and see my children, or do you want me to perish right here in front of your eyes? And what do you think what effect do you think this would make to our children? Why unenhliziyo ekanje? While Unhloso looked like he was considering letting her go, considering the fact that she said she was not going to tell anyone about this current incident and she was just going to keep quiet, make it as if she just eloped and then decided to come back. But then again, athi ke no, if ngiyakuvumela uhambe kodala inkinga eningi, so it means that you have to sit here and we will figure this thing out. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe ucabanga ukuthi ayitshontshe amayeza andazi mntakababa. But yeah, ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, it's a Friday. As you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Scandal Sanbonan. Awa, ndimadekwana Sanbonan abshin molweni minjani. Hipukile hinkongwina. So namuhla ka nokwa hina wa Scandal ikuma ku Rishlos Tamsekangi kahle in the fact that Vuvu and umuntu wakhe, they are really struggling to come to terms with the current situation. How did they find themselves deep down in this kind of situation? Lapha omunye sibafuna ukumbopha bambophele ukuthi ubulala umuntu ngapha. He's also facing charges of theft. There is just a lot going on in their relationship, and I'm just happy that Ubu is being a supportive girlfriend and she's willing ukumelana nayo yonke. If it means that today she becomes a girlfriend, tomorrow she's a detective, that's exactly what she's going to do, just to make sure that she protects her territory. Interesting. I like it. Anyway, on the other hand, again, Unhloso is lying tooth and nail. So he was supposed to be going to work at Uyagula. He won't be able to go to work. And then Udidi goes out and comes back. When she comes back, accidentally found him cooking. And then she was like, but why would you cook? Because we've got enough food in the house. Akatshela ngamanga ubhoti athi no yena uyapheka because ontutuko laba abafuna ukudla njani. Ntitlo was like, oh my god, okay, if that is the situation, then ngabaletha beze bazohlala lana so that we can just be able to take care of them. Sibaphekele badle nabo babe right. Kanti hayi umuntu uphathela ukudla uMadloma that is actually worried ukuthi ingane zakhe la zikhona they are very worried. Speaking of ingane zakhe Ntutuko they went to the police station for questioning. Now they were questioned about Umthunzi, which Umthunzi, is he by any chance, is there any chance with Mhlambe that Atumbe Uma? Because now remember Unhloso went to the police station and said Umthunzi has more motive to get uMadlomo and Amonzakalisi. So now the police officer is asking if they have witnessed any misunderstanding argument between her and Umthunzi, and unfortunately Uthembelihle did, and this now is going to make Untutuko to be upset or to be Umthunzi, because now why would they fight and he didn't know about it? So which means that probably he was the one. So now the whole narrative is going to change and everyone start looking at Umthunzi, and Umthunzi is the innocent one. My worry is up to how long are they willing to keep Umadlomo? Anyway, so Unhloso, the doctor tried calling him and saying, as soon as you get the message, please get back to me, but he was not available because usase business izinto zakhe zokidnap abantu. And then everybody, the search goes on looking for Umadlomo, and it looks like, from my perspective, it looks like Unhloso is willing to do anything and everything just to make sure that Umadlomo is away from Umthunzi, and I don't know how will that play out, because remember Umthunzi no Umadlomo bayathandana.
So angazi uzama ukumkhipha lapha for how long, because now uyagula and also ufuna amapilisi, and I don't know how he's gonna get the medication, or uzoya endlini ayowatshontsha awabuyise, or he will finally decide ukuthi let me let you go. But then if he does that, then how does it going to work out? Ladies and gentlemen, Victor was then he came back to his workstation, and Tep said he can't work, and then he said he did not need any money as charity. Thanks. That's what he said. Here's a recap of what happened on Thursday on Scandal. TD is getting married under false pretense. I don't think this relationship would last, or this marriage rather, because at some point the truth will come out. And Devet, even if he has realized, or is it me who is quickly judging things before they actually unfold? Does this mean that Devet actually would love her regardless? Because right now he's confessing his love that he has for her, and how he feels that he has been selfish all this time and never realized that she's the most important thing that he has been looking for. Or is it that now I'm the drama? Because remember, the relationship that you is built on lies, majority of the time it does not sustain the lies, does not even have the capacity to last long. Because at some point Devet would have to accompany TD to her skin, brain, whatever that she lied about, and it has to be real now. She will have to pay a doctor now to lie as well. Does she even have the capacity to pay a doctor to lie? Because she works at the spaza shop. So, oh, maybe because she would have the position of the money from Devet. But from how I see it, she is getting married, and she lied to Devet and said that she is going through this deep secret that has to do with brain tumor, and that is not true. Did she say brain tumor, brain cancer? And then she went as far as getting the scan to be done. I don't know whose scan those are, but it's somebody else's scan that she presented to their husband to be, and said, these are my scan and I cannot discuss this further because it also makes me have a headache. And she started googling the signs and symptoms. So now Devet, he's falling in love with this person, saying, you know what, I've not been there for you, I should have done better. And I think this is where it's just going to boom, because he will realize, I shouldn't have been with you in the first place. Why would you lie about such a thing for me to marry you? And even when you realized that I wanted to marry you, but you just continued lying. And remember, the last time we broke up because of what? Of lies. Yeah. And Fundisham, ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we are going to be reviewing Scandal. Ndima Dekwana, sanibonani abusheni molweni minjani. Hiphukile hingongwina. So namuhla ka nonokwa hina wa Scandal hikuma korosula sithawiseka kahle. Looking at the fact that Unhloso noPhilisiwe, they had a conversation. Phela remember Unhloso uthumbe uPhilisiwe. Now they are having a conversation la khona lapho esigangeni. I don't know where that place is, but bamthumbile bamfaki in a room, and then in that room that's where the conversation was happening. Philisiwe was asking, if you say you love someone and you're protecting someone, do you treat them njengesibosho at the same way ungitreata mina njengesibosho? Because now ungivalele ekamereni, ungifase izandla. What do you actually call this? Because this is not love. Then it also says, this is love. I'm trying to protect you from Umthunzi, because Umthunzi is a very dangerous man. He is a jailbird, and the things that he's done in his past, they are way too dangerous. So because I love you so much and I want to see you happy, I have to take care of you and make sure that I protect you. In my protection, that includes me holding you here. Athi so mina kushuthi ingane ngiyosebenza njani, because ingane izozidinga izinto athi ungakhathazeki ngengane. I will take care of the child. This could have been done in a different way altogether, but well, Nkosi thought that this was the best he could do out of him. Akase kwala Nkosi yami. Now Umadlomo was like, you know what you're doing is wrong, and this is crime. Imagine holding someone hostage. This is crime, and you can be arrested. And then after that, it was like, oh, get Lisa. And then he tried to give her huggies and kisses, but she was not interested in all of that. So, like, she was just like, just keep it moving. The therapist decided to call Untloso so that they can have a sit down, and then they just discuss what has been happening lately, because he had the news about the ex-wife, and then he wanted to find out how Nhloso has been. Did he not shoot the stars? And so xa uthi yimina mawungibhekile ngile ndoda le nto yonke yenziwa umthunzi nganitshela nina nangenze ngathi mina ngiyahlanya manje bhekani ukuthi sikuphi kube ningilalele in the first place kube asikho la uyambona kaye manje unkosikazi wami sekahambile. I know, but remember, this is your ex-wife, is not your wife. But how you address her now, it sounds like you're more concerned that you should be athi lalela uma wey'ngane zami ngiyamthanda. Amen. It does not get any better than that. Like, he just said it straight, and agana valo tololo nix valo ngane zima wami not my baby mama, umama wey'ngane zami, yes, and ngiyamthanda. And that's what he said. But the therapist was more concerned more than anything when he left, because he stormed out before the conversation was concluded, and that actually gave him something. My question is, who is going to rescue Matlomo? How are they going to even find out to Matlomo Gupi? Who is going to be the hero this time? Because Lenda is very far away from Uvuvu. Anyway, Mr. Divet ukhuluma nomkhulukazi, just explaining the current situation of what Uthili is going through. Mkhulukazi is concerned. He then asked, how can we help you, because you've been my friend and for the long time. How do I help you in this situation? I was like, no, just to be there. And my worry is that she's been going through all of this alone. And then I was just wrapped up in my own circle, thinking about myself, being so selfish. He's beating himself for nothing, actually. Being selfish and then and stuff. And Mkhulukazi was like, the only thing that we can do from here, which is he extended his hand by going there and said, Tidi, I've heard, and I want to promise you that I'm going to be here for you, and we're going to take care of you. And if you just need to talk or anything, just remember, we're here. On his walking out, we then see Umthunzi walk into the picture, and then the police were asking him, we actually wanted to have a word with you, but you have been nowhere to be found. You have been very busy lately. I don't know what did he say. That he said something about Benkamba Manga, and then they said, are you aware that when you lie to the police, it's something along the sides of obstruction of justice? He said yes, but then we're clearly saying, but then he won't be. Is there any other questions, because he needs to go back to work? And then now they let him go back to work because there was no other question. But they did say if they want to ask more questions, they will come to him, because they also ask if Dintle is capable of taking uMadlomo, because obviously, for the obvious reasons, because yes, it must be said. So Talita Moray is still in jail, but Teriso is really not comfortable with the situation or the picture that Utalita is painting. And I'm like, Teriso, you're still going to be fooled about Loguluvagazi, Ufunimali Apumelana, and just go and paint the world red. And agagezwa next light jail. So I think Teriso utsena ka tlhogo nna ha ke mmona amukirela loyara simple. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching my video. I will see you on my next upload. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. Please remember to leave me a comment. I really love hearing. We are almost there. The last episode of the week.
Talita is now very excited to find out that the lawyer that she actually initially wanted now is on board, and that means that this is a good chance for her to escape jail after everything else that she has done. Well, she is confident about this because when the lawyer presented her case to her, it sounded as if she's already out of jail. Well, she also confessed and said,
or is it
you are
good?
good. So she is planning to take a card of saying that Talita has been through the most. Talita has been abused. Talita, her husband is a narcissist, and after everything that has happened, Talita saw the need so that she can help herself, because remember, the company she built it from scratch, and the husband was there assisting, but then now the husband takes everything and left her with nothing.
Remember, the relationship
after
that you is
the
built
marriage
on
that
lies,
they had, you know.
Majority of the
So
time,
now,
it
when
does
it
not
comes to
sustain
Talita's
the
side,
life.
she
It
feels
does not
like
even have the capacity
to
last long.
Not only
Because
is
at
it
some
that,
point,
but she decided to
at some
call
point,
a
Divet would have to accompany Tidi to her
whatever
break, whatever that she lied
and
about.
then
And
he
it
was
has
saying,
to
and
be
guess
real
who
now.
was the child?
She will have to pay a doctor now to lie as well. Does she even have the
for
capacity to
everything
pay
I
a doctor to lie? Because
and
she
ha ke
works
tse gore
in
wa
the
itiro le
sponsor
ena mme a
shop.
bolela Espargnon wela
Maybe because
matalafone.
she would have the position
Ladies
of the money.
and gentlemen, as
from
you
debate.
can
But
already see,
from
get
how
to
I
be
see it,
reviewing
she
Scandal.
is getting married and she lied to debate and said that she is going through a deep sickness that has to do with brain
so
tumor.
namuhla kana
And
wa
that
hina
is
wa
not
Scandal
true.
he
She
kuma
said brain
kora
tumor,
slash
brain cancer. And then she went as far as getting the scan to be done. I don't know whose scan those are, but it's somebody else's scan that she presented to the husband,
well,
to be and
ex-husband
said,
to
these
be
are my
exact.
scan, and I
So
cannot
now the
discuss
kids
this
do not
further
understand
because it
now
also makes me have a headache. And she started googling the sign and symptoms. So now Devej is falling in love with this person, saying, you know what,
but the
I've
person
not
that was
been
here, it
there
was
for you.
Unkloso, then
I
he
should have
decided
done
to follow
better.
Unkloso around.
And I think this
This
is where
might
it's
lead us
just going
to
to
the
go,
nearest
because
truth,
he will
because now
realize
if he is
that
following him,
I shouldn't have
then he's
been
going
with
to
you
put
in the
two and
first
two
place.
together and
Why
realize
would you
that
lie
no,
about such a thing
more
for me to marry you?
what
And
is
even
going
when
on?
you realize
And
that I
I'm
wanted to
glad
marry you,
that
but you
he
just
is on the
continued
right track.
lying.
However,
And remember,
the
the last time we broke up because of what? Of lies.
To find out what was
Ladies
happening,
and
but then it
gentlemen,
looks like
as you
Udile is
can
confused
already
about
see,
everything because the
we
misinformation
are
that
going to
they're
be
getting,
reviewing
the
Scandal.
misinformation that she is
Ndima
getting from the
Dekwana,
husband
Sanibonani
is not the
Abisheni
same
Molweni
information
Njani.
that the kids are
Iphephile
coming up with.
engqondweni.
As a
So
matter of
namuhla
fact,
ka
according to
ngokwahina
Dile,
weScandal
indoda
ngokuhlose
yakhe ihamba
waqiniseka
on a
kahle,
daily
looking
basis,
at the fact
spend
that
hours with what? With abantwana
they had a
bakhe.
conversation.
Uyaphaka
Phela
nokudla
remember
ahambe
uNhloso
nabo.
uthumbe uPhilisile.
But that is not
Now
the
they're
actual
having a
truth, because now
conversation
she's
la khona
surprised
lapho
with abantwana
esigangeni. I
laba
don't know
bakhuluma
what that
ngani
place
because they are
is,
becoming so
but
ungrateful,
bamthumbile
while
bamfake in
umyeni
a
wakhe
room,
is trying
and
all
then
he
in that
can to
room
be
that's
there
where
for
the
them in
conversation
these
was
difficult
happening.
times. So
Philiso
why
was
are they being
asking, if you say
ungrateful?
you love
I
someone and
understand
you
leyo
protecting
ukuthi
someone,
kwenzakalani. Bese khona lo
ubam-
oqambela
ubam-
amanga uDivet, and now
do
the
you treat
problem is
them
uDivet wants to
njengesibosho
take
at
it
the
to
same
another
way
level
umtreat
where he
mina
wants to take care
njengesibosho?
of his wife,
Because
and then
now
he's asking
ungivalele
umngani ukuthi
ekamereni,
umngani wakho
ungifase
uthini,
izandla.
what
do you
more can
actually
I
call
do
this? Because
ukuthi
this is not love, then,
ngimlone
because she says, this is love.
ngimnakekele,
I'm
and I
trying to
think that was
protect
the
you
time where
from
some truth was
Umthunzi,
supposed
because
to come out,
Umthunzi
but
is a very
again,
dangerous
friendship
man.
first.
He is a jailbag,
I'm sure
and the
friendship
things that
ihamba
he's done in his
phambili. Ladies
past,
and
they are way
gentlemen, thank
too
you
dangerous.
so much
Because I
for
love you
coming
so
to my
much,
channel
and I
on a
want
daily
to
basis
see
and
you
viewing my
happy.
video.
I have
I
to
really
take care of you
appreciate that.
and make sure that
Please,
I protect you. In my
while you're at
protection,
it,
that
do not
includes me
forget to
holding you
subscribe
here.
to my channel and
Athi
leave me
mina
a
futhi
comment.
ingane
I really love
ngiyosebenza
hearing
njani
from you.